We've been thinking about opening up a restaurant. Quiet now. My husband's sleeping. Got a touch of that flu that's been going around. They told us it would probably clear up by itself, but should head down to that place they set up at the fairgrounds anyways. We're not really ones for company, if you get my drift. That'll do. Better than nothing, right?
Need to take care of this.
Walker, you gonna take care of that?
Hey! You need to take care of that.
We don't get many visitors.
Need that. Long road ahead. Better stock up.
Good.
Keep it tight.
Another day, another dice with death.
I could use that. I've had worse tick bites.
It's down.
SMG here.
Flashbang
Need
here!
to reload. Uglies ahead.
Lights on. Hold on a second.
Don't think I can last much
Found my
longer!
weapon.
Over here!
Gun's dry. Gotta reload.
Here you go. Here we go, homie!
Need ammo! Sentinel's down!
Holy shit!
Oh, fuck this shit. Fuck. They got me good.
Help!
I got you.
This face?
Hang in there, Holly.
This is my grateful face. Mom, please! You need to take better care of that wound. Why can't we use the helicopter? It just sits there most of the time anyway.
You ain't noticed? No refineries anymore. Fuel is at premium.
And two, it plays havoc with everyone's laundry. Last thing you want is a pair of Hoffman's tighty whities coming flying at you.
I got this! Cover me, reloading! This
Need to reload.
Let's look for a way through.
Give me a break!
Bandages here.
Just keep looking.
First aid cabinet here. We're a team, so let's be teamy.
Need to take care of this. Thanks, brother.
Give me some cover!
Friendly fire!
I am so sorry.
Hey! Help here!
Holly's down!
Need an assist!
I got you, Holly.
Hey, I need help! Please!
Come on, you ain't done yet.
I've got you, Angelo.
Thanks, Holly.
Reloading!
Need to patch myself up.
Reloading!
Cool.
Now there's something you don't see every day. Target down. Out of ammo!
Wanna fix that up? I don't wanna see you leaking all over the place.
Need
Need to
ammo!
take care of that wound, Evangelo.
Rover 2, we've lost contact with a number of survivors in your area. They were reporting sightings of some new kind of ridden.
Well, let's do this.
Let's do this. Come on, move it!
I wouldn't do this to just anybody. Saying this, you owe me.
Gotta reload!
Need to reload.
Last bag! Almost out!
Ridden.
Checking the car. You want to patch yourself up there, brother. Need ammo!
Reloading!
Incoming!
Always loved a stroll in the woods. Reminds me of my teens. Minus Johnny Mayberry and a purloin bottle of my pa's best hooch to loosen that boy's inhibitions. Ain't nothing like a preacher's son unwound. If you know what
Mom! You're in big trouble once I get the bullets back in the gun!
Holly's down!
Why me, Lord? Why me? It's all right. I got you.
I mean, we're not keeping score here, right?
Need that.
That looks mighty nasty. Hatchet!
Oh, you son of a bitch!
I'm covered in this.
Give me some cover!
Patching up.
Well, this sucks. Reloading.
There's an old church up ahead. You should be able to rest up there. Be careful. Ridden may not be your only threat. The place is falling apart, so you'll have to secure it before you bunk down.
Here. Now I won't feel bad about forgetting your birthday. Got
need
ammo
this.
here.
I'll take this.
Angelo, you need to patch yourself up.
Wretch! I need to reload.
Keep your beams low. Don't want to draw unnecessary attention.
All is down!
Get me up!
Here you go.
Looks like we got a stash.
I owe you one.
Cover me!
Never thought there'd be a thing as too much attention.
Horde! Need that.
First aid cabinet, if you need it. Med kit. LMG here.
I could use that. Sight here.
You want to patch yourself up there, brother?
Need to reload. Don't shoot the noisy boy. Watch me. Need to reload.
Come get some! That's a bitch!
Hopefully something left in here. Cool.
Reloading! If you got a med kit, use it. scratch. Not you, brother. Right between the eyes.
You know Carly bursts into flames if she crosses onto holy ground, right? Reloading!
I'll take this.
Reloading! What are we gonna do with you?
Don't keep me waiting, please!
Come on, little brother. You would like some help over here?
Thanks!
Damn, that thing will wake up everyone from here to me.
Reloading!
You'll be fine.
Appreciate it.
I'm surrounded!
Rest easy, brother. Rest easy.
Cover me! Reloading!
Just what I wanted.
I may be no beauty, but sure as hell don't look like them.
You okay?
D'Angelo's down!
There, you'll be fit as a fiddle in no time.
Need to reload!